This is the Bricker Ranch. It's in the middle of wine country in Temecula, California.
We train and show reining horses and cow horses out of here. We work through the heat of the day.
The energy bills are high.
Our old heating and air unit wasn't functioning well.
I had some friends that used the Hero program. They updated their house and put new windows in, and it was very efficient for them. And now we're using it for the heating and air conditioning system. The Hero program is not like a traditional loan. It goes on to your property taxes.
That's Lori's department.
The overhead is very high at the ranch, and so to be able to save $200 or $300 on the electricity bill every month is wonderful.
We're getting more cold air out of our unit, so we can afford to leave the system running. So when you work long days and you go in there to a nice cool house, you appreciate it.